Saturday. No, is it, what day is it now? Oh no, Monday pala. Nakalimutan ko na kasi wala nang pasok guys. It's Monday. Andito kami guys, nagpaano kami ni Toltol, nagpaayos kami ng sasakyan. So andun pa sa garahe. So chine-check pa nila kung ano dapat ayusin. So inaantay ko lang, natawagan nila kami. So galing kami ni Toltol ng grocery store, no? Bumili siya ng Pringles kasi gutom na siya. So bumili kami ng ice cream. Chocolate. Maliit lang siya kasi matutunaw, baka kasi ang iniisip ko kasi baka maano yung sasakyan namin maiwan dito ba. So pag naiwan magbabas kami dito pa uwi. So yun, chocolate ice cream. You want chocolate ice cream? Tapos meron pa siyang binili na chocolate fudge, parang pareho lang to Toltol. Ben and Jerry's naman siya, di ba? Ben and Jerry's, pero maliit lang kasi sabi ko pag malaki matutunaw siya kasi baka matagalan pa kami. Kumuha na lang kami ng spoon. Here go. Yeah, tapos ito naman yung sa akin yung coffee. Coffee maliit lang. Tapos bumili kami guys ng ito pang Pringles, pero ito naman cheddar, salt and vinegar, saka pizza.
Okay,
Dali namin sa dalawa.
Can you give me the pizza?
No, Toltol, you can do that. You just open yours. Toltol. So dito lang muna kami kakain kasi sabi ko pag pumasok kami hindi kami pwedeng kumain dyan sa loob ng mga restaurant kasi hindi naman kami bumili dyan.
I'm rating the flavors sour cream and onion 8.5 out of 10.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's try it.
Oh, there's no. Ito pala guys yung spoon niya. Sabi ko naghanap ko ng spoon.
Tastes like a coffee.
Of course. Coffee and chocolate. As if like I'm buying some chocolate, but it's not cold. Alright guys, so ano na kami lang dito, papunta na kami dito sa lugar. Then punta na namin yung punta na namin yung sasakyan. Tingnan natin kung na-check na nila. Merong upuan dun sa loob ng yung gas station ba. Sana na-check na nila. Baka maraming problema yung sasakyan. Alright guys, punta kami ng Taco Bell kasi nagugutom talaga si Toltol. Thank you. Walang laman. Okay, wait.
Regular. What do you want? Burrito, taco, quesadillas, nachos.
You said quesadilla, right?
Yeah, but I want to see what else. No. Yeah, it's chips and I'm starving.
You want burrito?
No, not sweets.
Why don't you do the quesadilla?
Yeah, let's get the quesadilla.
Yeah.
And then we're done. Wait, what? This is just free. It's free, so I'll just get hot sauce.
That one.
Actually, yeah. Next. First name.
How much was that? $5?
Yep.
Let me see. Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, it's bigger than I thought.
That's a, oh, okay, it's the whole thing.
So they cut it into pieces.
You can just open it and put them right on the side, right there. They're calling now. Hey guys, good morning. So, punta ulit tayo guys kasi nagpaayos ako ng sasakyan kahapon. So, inayos ng thermostat. So, bali, naayos naman siya. Kaya lang may yung engine light ko lumalabas pa rin. So, at saka yung sensor ko sa tire pressure sensor, something ganon. So, dadalhin ko siya ulit guys kasi gusto ko siyang mawala dito sa dashboard ko yung mga lights ba, yung mga signal lights. So, So yeah, right now it's almost 9 o'clock. So mag-open sila ng 9 o'clock. So agahan ko na siya guys para matapos na siya ng maaga pa. Kasi guys, we are planning, in God's will, we are planning na mag long drive kami sa Friday. So maaga kami alis sa Friday kasi hatid ko sila si tata, and then yung kaibigan niya sa Vermont sa camp, stay away camp sila ng 3 weeks. So yung kaibigan ko kasi dapat sabay siya, dapat dalawa kaming kasama magda-drive doon. Ang kaso na COVID siya. So ako lang guys ang pupuntahan. Ako first time ko ito guys, yung long drive. Tingnan ko kaya maaga kami aalis para kahit na mag-drive lang ako ng dahan-dahan, kasi malayo yun guys, parang 8 hours drive from here. Kung tawag dito, kung kabisado mo yung daan. So tingnan ko kung gaano ako oh my gosh. So tingnan natin kung sana okay lang. So ito yung dadalhin namin sa sasakyan, kasi pag ako magda-drive kampante ako, dahil siyempre alam ko yung sasakyan. So kailangan siya, yung hindi ako kakabakababa dahil long drive tapos mga bata kasama ko. So kailangan maayos yung sasakyan. Alam mo yun. So dadalhin ko siya ngayong umaga kasi magbubukas na sila ng 9. So kailangan ko ng maaga para matapos na maaga, kasi mag-i-impake pa kami guys. Alam mo yun, marami pa kaming aayusin na mga dadalhin, kaya wish me luck. Alright guys, ikot-ikot muna tayo guys, kasi dinrap ko lang muna sa sasakyan. Sabi ko mamaya na, tawagan naman nila ako pag anong nila ba, malaman nila yung anong check nila. So lang Michaels lang kaya muna. Ikot-ikot ako dyan. Nung pa ako guys, nung active pa ako sa paggawa ng arts and craft, almost every day andito ako. Kaya di lang ako gumawa ng mga handmade cards pa yung ginagawa ko. Noong mga 5 years ago, mahilig ako gumawa ng handmade cards, binibenta ko online. Malaki yung ko noon, yung mga orders ko. Ngayon kasi hindi na masyadong mabenta, so nag-stop ako. So baka babalik ulit ako. Pero mahal na rin kasi noon yun, katulad nito, 3 for lang ito noon, 3 for $10. Ngayon $7 na isa lang yan. Yung mga stamps ko noon, mahilig ako niyan sa ganito noon Marami din ako pang ganito sa bahay. Yun na sila nagbibenta ng mga Martha Stewart na product, yung mga puncher. Marami ako Martha Stewart puncher, pero parang wala na silang binibenta ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, dahil nga siguro may Cricut machine na. Yung mahal kaso. Pwede rin akong gumawa ng sarili ko na ganito. Kailang matrabaho. May mga puncher ako na ganito. Ang cute. Ito. Diba? Mahal. Itong ganda rin ito. Oh, ganyan ba? $10. Grabe, mahal. It's $5.99. Noon yan, parang $3 lang ito $2.99, ganun. Ito gusto ko itong kit. Kaya lang isang color lang. Ito, super cute. Ayan. Mga dahon-dahon. Oh my god, it's so cute. Gagawa din ako ng mga jewelry before. Kaya lang nung naging madami na ako order sa mga paper craft, doon ako nag-concentrate. So baka babalik ulit ako sa paggawa ng cards, kasi nga nami-miss ko siya. Guys, ito $6.99. Ito yan, $2 lang to bit. Maganda na sila. Meron kami ganito sa Pilipinas na bulaklak. Parang totoo, no? Ay, ang cute na mga. Ko cute. Oh my God. Cute. Mga pangkasal. Guys, dito ako sa loob ng gas station. Kanina pa guys, alas 2 na, hindi pa tapos. Nag-stay ako ng 3 oras doon sa harap ng Coles. May upuan kasi doon, 3 oras. Tapos after 3 hours, tumawag ako. Akala ko patapos na, yun pala, hindi pa pala naumpisahan, alas 12. Diyos ko, alas 2 na, ewan ko kung ginagawa nila. Tingnan ko nga. Hey guys, tingnan mo guys ang buhok ko. Para kong bruha na. Kadarating ko lang. So, actually, ginupitan pala ako ni Lala over the weekend. Kaya maigsi nga pala yan. Kaya ganyan. So, anyway guys, kadarating ko lang na-fix nila yung sasakyan. So, wala akong binayaran dahil mabait yung may-ari. Pero may pinalitan silang maliit lang na ano kasi naayos na siya kahapon. Tapos may nireklamo lang ako kanina. So yeah guys. So wala na akong binayaran. Pero naku, ang tagal ko. Anong oras ng alas 2 na ata. Kasi dinrap ko doon yung sasakyan ng 9 o'clock. Yun kasi yung ano nila, opening nila. Kasi sabi nung may-ari nung yesterday. Sabi niya, alas 9. Sabi niya, agahan mo na para maaga ka matapos. Naku guys, di ba pagkatapos ng Michaels, pumunta ako ng Coles, naupo ako doon, tapos nag-antay ako ng mga 2 hours. Tapos sabi ko parang wala pang tawag sa kanila, sabi ko parang 3 hours na lumipas na. So tinawagan ko sila, pero malapit lang naman yung shop sa kung saan nakaupo ako. Tapos tinawagan ko sila, sabi ko malapit na ba matapos? Naku, yung nakasagot, sabi niya ganun, hindi pa pala naumpisahan, nakatenga lang doon sa harap nila. Sabi niya, i-check na namin. Sabi niya, nako, 3 hours na yun lumipas. Hindi pa pala nila na-check, edi sayang naman yung oras ko, diba? So, anyway, pumasok ko sa Coles. Nakaupo lang ako sa harap, diba? Dahil wala naman ako balak na magbumili ng kahit ano. Pero sabi kong ganun, kaumpisa pa lang pala na lang i-check yung sasakyan. So, pumasok ako, nag-ikot-ikot lang ako. Tapos nakatayo ako doon, tumitingin-tingin ako. Tapos may babae na lumapit sa akin. Sabi niya, ito yung coupon. Sabi niya, parang $5 coupon. $5 coupon. Sabi niya, gamitin mo. Sabi niya, ganun kasi wala akong balak mag-shopping. Sabi nung babae, tapos lumabas na siya. Tapos sabi ko, may $5. Sabi ko, tapos tumingin-tingin ako. Tapos ito guys, nakabili ako ng parang pang 4th of July na mga earrings. Nabibigay ko to sa dalawa. So bali, ito is actually, yung price nito is $14. Kaso lang naka-sale siya. So ito na lang is $5.60. $5.60. Since I have a $5 coupon, I only paid 60 cents. Tatlong itong earrings para sa 4th of July. Binili ko to for the purpose of for 4th of July. So ito daw kay Tata, kukunin niya yung star. Kay Lala naman ito. Parang yung ganyan, yung bling bling. So yeah, pagkatapos nagpunta ako ng Giant, nag-grocery ako. Tapos after I went to Giant, right? I bought some food and then
You did?
yeah, I bought the sandwich and the juice, right? So and then I went to the shop now, straight to the shop. And then, I told the people, I said, I'm already here. I said, so I'm just gonna be sitting inside the gas station because these are part of the gas station is also part of the company. So I was sitting there inside so I can charge my phone, right? And I was eating my my sandwiches. So I was like looking at the time. Okay, that's already 1 o'clock. So I said I never heard from them. I said so I was waiting for 1 more hour, and guess what? When finally it's like 2 o'clock, I went check them, like there's like a window. I was checking and then I saw the owner standing there outside. I said, excuse me. I said, what happened to my car? It's like, oh no, it's like little. They're doing a little left, like little things. Not. It doesn't take long. And then so I went to sit down, right? Guess what? When I went to sit down, It's already finished. I was like, oh my god. I said,
been finished?
it's been finished. The guys haven't called me.
The thing about dealer, like when you go to the car dealer, is you always need to keep watching them.
No, it's not a dealer. It's
I know, whatever.
It's like a shop. Yeah.
but you need to keep an eye on them. because
Yeah, exactly.
They're gonna always think that you don't know what you're doing, or
Plus
like,
also
they're
they're
gonna take
like
advantage of
they're
you.
like talking,
Yeah.
like, you know. So if you're not like harassing them, like, okay, like every 5 minutes you're gonna tell them like, is it okay now? Is it
No.
finished? They're
That's
not
a
gonna do
life
it.
lesson. Car dealers, like, they take advantage of anyone that seems like they don't.
So the house, the owner of the house, the owner of the shop thought that, you know, I was there since 9 o'clock. And I was like, you know, it's almost like 5 hours that I've been sitting here waiting for you guys. So he said like, don't worry about it. You know, you don't need to pay. I said, yes,
Yeah,
that's
because
good. That's good. I said,
Wait, he offered for you not to pay?
yeah. He said, you don't worry about it. I said, because I thought he's gonna charge me $85 for the diagnostic test. But
Yeah,
then,
well, it's like you literally wait.
but then they actually changed my sensor because he promised that to me yesterday. But then I thought he's gonna charge me $110 per sensor. Guess what? He said that he changed the sensor, but he's not gonna charge me. I said, that's good, sir. Thank you. I said, next time I'm coming back again. I said,
Of course you're coming back
good
again.
business.
Oh my goodness.
Baka sandali
Mommy,
lang.
like, just screams free. If you say free, she's like, you're best
Baka kasi 5 minutes lang nilang ginawa yun. Ang tagal-tagal ko nag-antay. Talaga tong mga to, sabi ko ganun. But anyway, yeah, naku, gumagawa ng anong sa lalan, gumagawa ng smoothies.
I know you're